Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready for the ultimate treat. The RPS Quarterly Rewards Extravaganza is back and better than ever, with prizes set to blow your minds. Already an established member of the RPS family? Well, guess what? You've already got yourself a golden ticket. That's because all existing RPS members automatically secure themselves one entry to the Quarterly Rewards Extravaganza.
But wait, there's more!
We know our amazing ambassadors aren't just here to watch, they're here to win. So, for every new and active RPS member you bring in with a completed order, we're going to toss in an extra entry, just for you.
But wait, there's more!
Any ambassador who refers 20 or more direct RPS accounts automatically hits the jackpot and wins 5 additional bonus entries.
Wow!
Yeah, you heard me right. I said 5 additional bonus entries. And for our seasoned veterans, if you're already rocking 20 or more direct RPS accounts, don't worry, you're still getting those extra 5 entries. Because hey, why not? Everyone deserves a shot at the grand prize.
Yay!
But folks, in the spirit of fairness, every good game has rules. Only one account and one RPS subscription are allowed per customer. Any duplicate RPS accounts will lead to disqualification and possibly having to forfeit the remaining games of the year. But without further ado, mark these dates on your calendar and get ready for an experience like no other. Each ticket is your entry to win one of several fantastic prizes. And remember, the more the merrier. See you at the Quarterly Reward Extravaganza, where greatness is created.